Hey guys, so I put my birds in this tent that I slept in like 2 days ago, and it's still in my room. And then I just decided to pull everything out, and then I put like this bird stuff in it, like food, toys, bird bath over there. Then there's both of my birds. 1, 2. And there's a toy. And there, if you got one of those at the dentist, just take the time thing out and then put seeds in it. And then there, I got one of those gel watches, and then I just put 2 little toys in there and fill the rest of seeds. I have bowling pins, one right by Hedwig, and then one right there. I have a little fishy toy right there. Then there's a little yellow bead in the water. And then there they are. Right there. 1, 2. So all their stuff inside. And show the stuff. Show you one more time. Okay, bye guys.